Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a little lesson on how to fill in eyebrows. Obviously there are a million different ways on how you can fill in your eyebrows. This is just the way that I personally do it, and it works really easy and it's really fast for me. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. I feel so naked right now, like you guys have no idea. I used to actually do my makeup like this, where I'd do like really intense makeup and then just leave my eyebrows how they were because I didn't know what I was doing. And I just failed at life. I remember one time someone told me when I was like a freshman in high school that I should fill my eyebrows because my hair is darker than my eyebrows. And I was like, why would I ever do that? That would be ugly. And now I literally cannot not fill in my eyebrows. So, yeah. So, anyway, let's get into teaching you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. So, the #1 brand that I use is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just think they personally have the best eyebrow products. Even though I use all, like, high-end eyebrow products, there are definitely really good eyebrow products at the drugstore. I used to love the e.l.f. Brow Duo thing. It came with, like, a powder and then, like, a jelly pomade kind of thing. And I used to use that all the time to fill my eyebrows. So, I think $3 or whatever that is also really good to fill in your eyebrows. This is just what I personally like. So I have four different methods, well I guess 3, of filling in my eyebrows. So the one that I use probably the most, just on an everyday on an everyday basis, is just a powder. This is the Brow Powder Duo in the shade Taupe. As you can tell, I really, really love this stuff. It's amazing. I use this all the time with a, oh my gosh, okay. With the Sephora 22 Pro Angled Liner Brush. It looks like this. Yeah, so this is my #1 way of doing my eyebrows on an everyday basis. Then the second way that I can do it is using the pomade. This is the Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde. It looks like this. So I use the Morphe E35 brush. It's just this really tiny brush, but it works really well to get the pomade onto the brush and then draw on your eyebrows essentially. So I really like that. But then the stuff that I'm going to show you today is pencil. So I have 2 pencils. I have the Brow Wiz from Anastasia and the Brow Definer. The Brow Wiz is like the really skinny, tiny pencil. It looks like this. Here, let me show you. I used to use this together with the powder, and I would like draw out my wing on my wing. I draw out like the tail of my eyebrow, and I'd fill in the rest of it with powder, and I was like obsessed with doing that. But recently I've just been using the Brow Definer, and I have this in the shade Taupe. So yeah. So I will be using the Brow Definer today. I'll also be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, as well as the Pixie Crayon Combo. It's like the pencils, the brightener, and the lightener, and the shade Wide Awake. Also, how I just keep my eyebrows looking nice. So I either tweeze them or shave them, I guess you would call them. I don't know. I got my brows started once, and it was honestly so painful. Otherwise, I haven't got them waxed or anything like that. I've just done them myself. So the tweezers that I use, I think these are Tweezerman tweezers, or just these pink tweezers. I use them all the time. And then I just use this little brow shaver trimmer thing. And it's super fast and super easy, and honestly, I love it. I just do this like once or twice a week, and it's so fast and so simple, and it saves so much time compared to tweezing them every day. Okay, so to start off, we are going to take the spoolie side, and we are just going to brush all of the hairs up. I don't really know why I do this, but I just do, and then I literally come right at the top and just fold down the ones that I don't want to be up. Then we are going to come in with the pencil. So we are going to I start in the middle, like if you're looking straight ahead, like right to the side of your eyeball. I start right there in the middle, and I draw the bottom line of my arch. Then I come in and draw the top line. and then I fill in that area. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Then once that's done, then I come in at the front and draw a line from the bottom connecting to where we just stopped our filling in process. And then I fill in up until about right there. And then I start with the bottom and push up the liner to act like, or push up the brow pencil to act like hairs. And then I come in with the spoolie again, brush up. And that eyebrow is done. And then I do the same on the other side. Okay, then next to like carve out the brow bone, I come in with the Pixie crayon, and they have like a shimmery side and a matte side. I'm going to come in with the matte side, and I am just going to line underneath my brow. And then just blend it out with my finger. Sometimes I blend it out with a brush, but... Okay, then we're just going to come in with clear brow gel and set the eyebrows. I do the same thing that I do with the spoolie with the brow gel. And we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed my eyebrow routine. It is pretty simple in my mind, and it doesn't take very long at all. Just remember that you don't need all of these products that I use. You can use stuff from the drugstore or whatever you have to get the same effect that I do. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.